Research could probably be one of your biggest assets in trading. I was watching a video on YouTube Shorts, and there was a trader saying that he don't care about the news, he doesn't follow it, he just do strictly price action, and that's cool. But let me tell you something: the research that many of you, especially as new traders, are unwilling to do is keeping you from some of the best trades of your life. I get all the time, how do you find trades or how do I find stocks? I read, I research. It's something I just genuinely like to do anyway. But it's where I found some of the companies that we are not looking at. We so focused on the companies that's in our face: Netflix, McDonald's, Tesla, Amazon, Google, all of the big companies, and we're never really looking into who is even helping them run a smooth program on the back end. Who's helping them build out some of the stuff that they're investing in? Let's use a good example: Meta. Meta is looking to build an AI data center the size of Manhattan, their biggest one yet. They have 29. Okay, who can benefit from that? There's going to be a ton of people who's going to have to, or a company that's going to be a part of such a massive project. Same thing with Oracle. They're looking to build 5 data centers as part of their $500 billion Stargate project. Who can benefit from such massive infrastructure investment? Think about it. They got to find someone who is building these hyperscale data centers. And there are a few companies on the market, Floor Corporations being one of them. And then they got to be powered. They need energy. You got Constellation, you got Duke Energy, you got Next Era, you have Dominion. There are a lot of different companies. Then you also have to look a little bit deeper into their software and their hardware infrastructure, potentially Palantir, potentially NVIDIA. Now, yeah, those are bigger companies, but the deeper you dive into a lot of these partnerships and these investments that the biggest companies are doing, it would lead you to some smaller companies that are public companies that could probably be some of the best trades that you can afford. See this massive investment that Meta is talking about making, you say, I want to invest in Meta. You get to Meta, Meta is almost an $800 stock, right? Too expensive for you. All right, let me go to the options. You see those premium are expensive, and the only way you can afford it is if you go so far out of the money that it just defeats the purpose of you even trading it. Stop looking just at the big companies. Follow the money that the big companies are pushing out. Find out who they're investing with, they're partnering with to help them build this stuff out. And not just with AI, but anything. When you follow the money, you will find some of your best trades by simply just reading these articles, doing research, and finding out who these companies are even partnering with.